Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all feeling well. It's me Mohammed Kesar from Social Work Department, University of Peshawar. Today, I'm going to tell about human right and its characteristics. Human right plays a role in everyone's life, but not everyone realize it. So, human rights are the basic rights and freedom that are entitled to every person in the world, from birth to death. They are based on values like respect, dignity, equality. So, the United Nations is an organization founded to promote human rights. Human rights include the right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to work, and everyone is entitled to these rights without discrimination. Now, characteristics of human rights. Human rights are inalienable. It means you cannot lose them because they are linked to the very fact of human existence. They are inherent to all human beings. In particular circumstances, some though not all may be suspended or restricted. Example, if someone is found guilty of a crime, his or her liberty cannot be taken. Number 2, human rights are indivisible, interdependent, and interrelated. It means that different human rights are intrinsically connected and can't be viewed in isolation from each other. The enjoyment of one right is depend on the enjoyment of other right, and no one right is more important than the rest. Human rights are universal. It means that they apply to all people everywhere in the world with no time limit. Every individual is entitled to enjoy his or her rights without distinction of race or ethnic background, color, sex, sexual orientation, disability, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, birth or other status. We cannot say that he is black or he is white, that we cannot give them this right or that right. No, this is not the way. So human rights are held by all human beings, and human rights exist as long as human beings exist.